In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Base44 credits with this easy guide. The first thing you want to do is head over to Base44 and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll be able to see the available plan options and how your credits are set up. If you're trying to use Base44 without paying right away, the good news is that the platform currently offers a free plan. That free plan includes 25 message credits per month along with 100 integration credits, so it gives you a solid starting point if you're just testing things out or building something simple. After you sign in, open your dashboard and check your current credit balance. This is important because it helps you understand exactly how many message credits and integration credits you have left. Keeping an eye on your balance makes it much easier to avoid wasting credits and helps you plan your usage more carefully. You'll also want to remember that the free plan is limited to 5 message credits per day. Because of that daily cap, it's a good idea to use each prompt efficiently. Instead of sending rushed or unclear requests, take a moment to think through what you want Base44 to do before submitting anything. That small habit can make a big difference over time. Another helpful way to get free credits is through the referral program. You can share your referral link with friends, and when a new user signs up through that link, they get 10 free credits. On your side, you receive 10 credits when that person publishes their first site. At the moment, this referral reward is limited to 5 successful referrals per user, so it's useful, but there is a cap to keep in mind. To make your free credits last longer, try to write better prompts. Plan your app before sending requests, and combine related changes into one clear prompt instead of making lots of small requests one after another. This is one of the easiest ways to stretch your free usage, and it also usually leads to better results because your instructions are more complete and easier for the platform to follow. Finally, if you've already used up your free credits, don't feel like you need to pay immediately. You can simply wait for your allowance to reset and continue again once those free credits become available. That's really all there is to it. Sign in, use the free plan, monitor your balance, be smart with your prompts, take advantage of referrals, and wait for the reset when needed. That's how to get free Base44 credits in the simplest way possible.